Welcome back to It's a Tool Thing. Doing a quick video of my new to me Epic toolbox and cart. I'm just going to show you the drawers inside. I bought this box complete with everything that came in it. Just going to kind of run through the drawers real quick. You got some quality stuff and some not so quality stuff. As you can see, organization wasn't his strong suit, but that's okay. Each their own. All the drawers seem to function well. That drawer there is getting hung up on that loom. I'll deal with it in a minute. And this I thought was a Matco cart, but apparently it's actually a Blue Point cart. I did notice on this bottom drawer the slides are kind of sticky. Might need some lubrication. Or it might just be the weight that's in the cart. It tries to pull the cart forward when you try to open it. Overall, the cart and the box is in pretty good shape. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.